Yeah, teeny bit.
Are you ready to try some squash? Not your hand.
Put it on her tongue.
She's not doing anything.
Let her taste it on her tongue. Oh, she's moving her mouth.
What do you think of that?
Leah's first solids. Just keep
Are you
pulling
spitting
it.
it out?
Just keep pulling it back
Oh,
in.
it's all out. She doesn't know what to do with it. What do you think?
Keep trying. You should be wearing a bib too.
Yeah? What if she wants some more? Not the hands. Not the hands. What do you think of it? Oh, I'm tasting it.
Isn't that funny?
No, oh, she's messy. It's on her tongue.
I told you it would be a very messy ordeal. Oops.
What do you think? She doesn't know what to think.
Just keep putting it back in.
Really?
Yeah. Don't give up too easily.
She's like laughing a little bit. No, don't stop. Stop it. It's supposed to be like this?
Yeah, eventually she'll start to swallow.
It's just hanging out in her mouth until
Give
she
her a
puts it out.
chance.
What do you think? She doesn't not like it.
I'll use it from the jar. It's fresher than what's in it. It's moister. She swallows. She's not gagging.
Oh. Oh. Squashy hands. How do you have time for this when you're running out to work?
Well, it gets easier. Eventually you can't stop them from eating.
Are you done? Or are we doing more?
She really doesn't know what to do with it.
It's all over the place. Luli. Luli, do you like it? Do you like it?
We're also having squash for Shabbos.
Oh. Yum. Should we stop videoing?
You want to keep trying? Okay. We'll keep trying.
Okay.
I'll